Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the basket weave stitch number 5. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, the front post double crochet stitch, and the back post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 8 plus 3 or 6 plus 3. I have already made 27 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into each chain across. That's going to be 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Skip this first stitch, and into each of the next 3 stitches we're going to make a front post double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to make a back post double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Make a front post double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Make a back post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. Make a front post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. Make a back post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Work 1 regular double crochet into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 2 chains. So row 4 is going to be similar to row 2. We're just going to make the opposite stitches that we made in row 2. In row 2, we started with 3 front post double crochet. So for row 4, we're going to make 3 back post double crochet. Skip this first stitch. And into each of the next 3, you're going to make 1 back post double crochet. One front post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. Make 1 back post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. Make 1 front post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. Make 1 back post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. Make 1 front post double crochet over each of the next 4 stitches. At the end of your row, you're going to have some chains left. Make a regular double crochet into the tops of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, and 4 in order for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the basket weave stitch number 5. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.